Hi everyone, my name is Eddy Tseng. Welcome back to my kitchen. I promised to show you how to make a prawn oil. Let's get started. As you can see, this prawn head and the shell, what I leave over. First thing you need to do, need to breaking the prawn head like this. Hold this tip, then hold the eyes, both eyes, then start to open up like this. Okay, let me show you. Okay, like that. That is good. This also shell comes off like this, and you can see this all this brown stuff is the fat of the prawn, which means all flavor comes off. Okay, now let's doing all this, breaking off like that, just breaking the pot. Okay, good. Now I just keep going. Well, I'm done. This is all left over from the prawn tempura. Okay, there's my last one. Okay, breaking apart. For me, that's all good. Okay, and this also shell. Don't throw it away. Now we can just put it back to our bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on my heat of oil. Okay. Okay, then in the same time, you have to prepare your tool, like this fine strainer. Okay, because as everybody know, as you know, the prawn is got the moisture. When we going to fry into the oil, it will start popping up. So this, what I'm going to use is use the strainer and cover on the top, so it can make it more secure. It won't be spread out to burning yourself. That's it. Don't put the lid on because we want the moisture come out. Okay, what I'm going to do will be like this. One hand hold the prawn, one hand hold the strainer. Then in the same time you cover the prawns, then all pour in your prawn shell. Okay, now we start pouring in. Look like this. Be careful. Now let's all in. As you can see, this is how they're reacting. Okay. Okay, now as you can see, all the steam start to come out. This is what they're looking for. Wow, the fragrant, the prawn flavor starts to come out. I wish you can smell. Get yourself a spatula and just stir like this. As you can see in this stage, come like that. Okay, this process will take just about 2 minutes. Yeah. To release all our prawn flavor into the oil. Okay. In the meantime, prepare the strainer ready and the pot ready, because we're going to pour oil all together. Okay, as you can see, it's no more popping because all the moisture is come out already. Okay, now as you can see, bubbling in 2 minutes ready time. Now it's ready. Let's turn off our heat. Then we can start pouring oil into the strainer. Alright, that is good. A little bit come out. Oh, hot. Yeah, even crispy. Yeah, no problem. Alright, as you can see, the result, the color become like orange. So the mean is all the prawn flavor is already in the oil. Okay, maybe you have a question, what are you going to do with the prawn oil? Now I'm going to show you very simple dishes. Use the prawn oil mixed with the noodles. Any kind of noodle is working. Like this, I have this. It's similar like a thin udon noodle. You can use egg noodle, rice noodle. Okay, that just boiled noodle and the prawn oil. What are we going to use now? Okay, prepare yourself. Just 1 little scoop of the prawn oil like this. Okay, so simple ingredient. Just add some soy sauce in. You see, even the color already nice. And to balancing to saltiness, you can add a little bit of sugar, just like that. Okay, maybe a little more because I like a little sweet. Okay, just quick stirring. That sugar is done, ready. Now this is the as you can see, the prawn oil is still hot and the noodle just done. All you need to just pour in. All in. Then give yourself a chopped spring onion. I think the spring onion I will like more, so get myself a quick chop because I like strong spring onion flavor. Just quick. Okay, all in. Everyone good. Then simple things, just stir in the bowl. Okay, just keep stirring like this. Okay, give you very nice fragrant prawn flavor noodle. That is so simple and so delicious taste. Nice, simple, easy. Even you can eat this for breakfast. Alright, and you may also ask another question. The prawn oil I make such a big amount. What you're gonna do is that the prawn oil you can keep it in the fridge to up to 3 days, which is no problem. But if you wanna keep it longer, you can just separate it into the small container, then keep it in the freezer. Can keep it up to a month, no problem. So whenever you need it, just defrozen, heat up, then ready to go. So this is the prawn oil. So simple, easy to making. You can use for any cuisine. For more detailed recipe instruction, please check out our website by following the link below. If you enjoy the show, don't forget to click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.